Hello everyone, I am Nitin Sharma and here I am going to talk about Indian National Congress. So let's start. So first of all, association formed before Congress. Few regional level associations were formed before Congress. Bangladesh Prasiksha Sabha. 1836 it was started by associates of Raja Ram Mohan Rai. East India Association 1866 it was founded by Dadabhai Naoroji in London. Pune Swarnatika Sabha 1870 was started by M.G. Ranade in Maharashtra. Indian League 1875 it was founded by Shishir Kumar Ghosh. He founded Bengali newspaper Amrita Bazar Patrika. इंडियन नेशनल एसोसिएशन 1876 it was founded by सुरेंद्र बनर्जी and आनंद मोहन बोस. मद्रास महाजन सभा 1884 it was founded by एम बिरहा गौरचारी, जी सुब्रमण्यम अय्यर एंड पी आनंदाचार्लू. 7. बॉम्बे प्रेसिडेंसी एसोसिएशन 1885 इट वाज फाउंडेड बाय फिरोज शाह मेहता, के टी तेलांग एंड बद्रुद्दीन तैयबी. अब बात करते हैं थोड़ा सा दादा भाई नौरोजी के बारे में. ही वाज द फर्स्ट इंडियन ब्रिटिश मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. ही प्रिसाइडेड 3 सेशंस ऑफ कांग्रेस 1886, 1893, 1906. He prepared the first estimate of the national income of India in 1876. He is also known as father of national income in India. He used the term Swaraj for the first time. He is also known as Grand Old Man of India. Rashtra Gupta, he a weekly newspaper by him for Parsi community and Voice of India. Book written Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. Explains the drain of wealth theory. He also started a movement called Rahumasi Mirjidabam Sabha in 1851 along with Naroji Furodonji and S.S. Bangley. Bombay Presidency Association 1885 it was founded by Firoz Shah Mehta, K.T. Telang and Badruddin Tayyibi. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कांग्रेस फाउंडर इट वाज फाउंड बाय एलन. अच्छा बात करते हैं अब फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कांग्रेस के बारे में. फाउंडर इट वाज ऑलन ऑक्टेवियन ह्यूम इन 1885 नॉन एज फादर ऑफ इंडियन ऑर्निथोलॉजी. 1885 फर्स्ट मीटिंग वाज कॉल्ड अपॉन इन पूना, हाउएवर ड्यू टू प्लेग द वेन्यू वाज चेंज टू बॉम्बे. ओके. फर्स्ट सेशन वाज हेल्ड एट गोकुलदास तेजपाल संस्कृत कॉलेज, Bombay. 72 delegates attended the first session where only 2 Muslim members and no women participated. Immediate cause for the formation of Indian National Congress was Ilbert Bill 1883. It was a measure that allowed senior Indian magistrates to preside over cases involving British subjects in India. But this received a huge backlash from Britishers, due to which it had to be taken and we exposed the real face of Britishers to Indians. Okay, different theories. Safety valve theory, Lala Lajpat Rai, monthly magazine by him, Young India. Conspiracy theory, R.P. Dutt. Lightning conductor theory, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Okay, Dufferin was the viceroy at the time of formation of Congress and called Congress as a factory of sedition. Important session of Congress. फर्स्ट सेशन कब हुआ था 1885. हेडेड बाय आपका कौन था, W.C. बनर्जी इन बॉम्बे वेयर 72 डेलीगेट्स अटेंडेड इट. सेकेंड सेशन कब हुआ था 1886. हेडेड बाय दादा भाई नौरोजी इन कोलकाता वेयर 434 डेलीगेट अटेंडेड इट. थर्ड सेशन कब हुआ था 1887. हेडेड बाय बद्रुद्दीन तैयबी इन मद्रास, ही वाज द फर्स्ट मुस्लिम प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कांग्रेस. फोर्थ सेशन कब हुआ था 1888. हेडेड बाय जॉर्ज यूले इन इलाहाबाद, ही वाज द फर्स्ट ब्रिटिश प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कांग्रेस. 1896 held in Kolkata, our national song Vande Mataram was sung for the first time by Rabindranath Tagore and written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay. 1901 held in Kolkata, Mahatma Gandhi participated in this Indian national session for the first time. 1905 headed by Gopal Krishna Gokhale in Banaras, Swadeshi movement was formally adopted here. 1906 headed by Dadabhai Naoroji in Kolkata, 4 resolutions Swaraj, Swadeshi, boycott and national education were adopted. 1907 headed by Ras Bihari Ghosh in Surat. In this session the Congress split into extremists and moderates. 1911 held in Kolkata, our national anthem Jana Gana Mana written by Rabindranath Tagore was first sung in this session. 1916 headed by Ambika Charan Majumdar in Lucknow, leading to merger of Congress. A joint pact also known as Lucknow Pact was signed between the Muslim League and Indian National Congress. 1917 headed by Annie Besant in Calcutta, first woman president of Congress. 1924 headed by Mahatma Gandhi, only session presided by him in Belgaum, Karnataka. 1925 headed by Sarojini Naidu, first Indian woman president of Congress and first woman governor of India state Uttar Pradesh in Kanpur. Okay. 1929, headed by Jawaharlal Nehru in Lahore, the Indian National Congress passed the resolution for complete independence or Purna Swaraj. January 26, 1930 was officially declared due to be celebrated as the first Independence Day. 1931, headed by Sardar Patel in Karachi. 1937, headed by Jawaharlal Nehru in Faizpur, first session to be held in village. And 1938 से 1939 महात्मा गांधी वर्सेस सुभाष चंद्र बोस. In 1938 session held at Haripura, Gujarat, and Subhash Chandra Bose was elected as president of Indian National Congress. In 1939 session held at Tripuri, and Subhash Chandra Bose was re-elected by defeating Gandhi's candidate Pattabi Sitaramaiah, but later Subhash Chandra Bose resigned. Rajendra Prasad was elected as president in 1939. Madan Mohan Malviya presided Indian National Session most number of times. J.B. Kripalani president during the time of independence. Youngest president of Indian National Congress, Abdul Kalam Azad. It is advisable to read about the sessions after you have read the entire modern history. So thank you very much. I hope my friend आप समझ रहे हो इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस को.